The Chengdu J-20, often referred to as the Mighty Dragon, is one of the most advanced aircraft ever developed by China and represents a significant leap forward in the nation's air combat capabilities. This fifth-generation stealth fighter is designed not just to rival, but to directly compete with the likes of the American F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II. For years, China's aviation industry was seen as lagging behind the Western Russia. But with the J-20, the world has been forced to recognize that China is now a serious player in cutting-edge aviation technology and military power projection. The J-20 made its first flight in 2011 and officially entered service with the People's Liberation Army Air Force in 2017. Its development marked a turning point in global defense dynamics. While earlier Chinese aircraft were often criticized as copies or heavily inspired by Soviet designs, the J-20 stands out as an indigenous product of years of research, development, and testing. Its imposing size, futuristic design, and stealth-oriented features make it one of the most intriguing fighter jets in service today. At first glance, the J-20 immediately commands attention with its sleek, angular profile. The fuselage is long and carefully shaped to minimize radar detection. Its canard delta configuration gives it an aggressive, predatory look while enhancing maneuverability. The engine intakes are carefully designed to reduce radar reflections, and the overall structure is coated with radar-absorbing material to maximize stealth. The aircraft is larger than many of its Western counterparts, giving it the capacity to carry fuel for extended range and weapons in internal bays, preserving its stealthy profile. Performance-wise, the J-20 is believed to have a top speed of around Mach 2 and a combat range exceeding 1,000 miles. Its ceiling is estimated to be around 20 kilometers, giving it the ability to engage enemies at extreme altitudes. The aircraft features advanced avionics, sensor fusion, and a modern glass cockpit that provides pilots with situational awareness in high-threat environments. While China keeps many of its technical details secret, military analysts believe the J-20 is capable of engaging targets beyond visual range with precision-guided missiles while also being able to operate in electronic warfare and reconnaissance roles. One of the most interesting aspects of the J-20 is its role in China's broader military strategy. Unlike Western stealth fighters, which emphasize air superiority and multi-role capabilities, the J-20 seems optimized for long-range strikes, intercepting high-value enemy assets like airborne warning and control systems or aerial refueling tankers. This makes sense given China's focus on establishing control over contested regions such as the South China Sea and deterring adversaries like the United States and its allies in the Asia-Pacific. By fielding the J-20, China is signaling that it has both the technology and the confidence to challenge air dominance in its own region and potentially beyond. The weapons load of the J-20 is also worth noting. Internal weapon bays allow it to carry advanced air-to-air missiles such as the PL-15, which reportedly has a range that may exceed many Western counterparts. In addition, the aircraft is believed to be capable of carrying precision-guided bombs and potentially even anti-ship missiles, expanding its versatility. External hardpoints are also available when stealth is not a priority, allowing the J-20 to function as a heavy strike aircraft if needed. Engines have been a point of contention in the J-20's development. Early versions used Russian AL-31 engines, but China has been working hard on developing its own WS-15 engines that promise better thrust and supercruise capability. Reports suggest that the newest J-20 variants are now equipped with improved Chinese engines, marking another step toward full independence from foreign suppliers. This is a crucial achievement, because engine technology has traditionally been one of the most challenging areas for China's aviation industry. Beyond the technical aspects, the symbolism of the J-20 is just as powerful. For decades, the United States and Russia dominated the fifth-generation fighter conversation. Now, with the J-20 in active service and steadily being produced in larger numbers, China has become the third nation to successfully field a true stealth fighter. This achievement enhances not only its military strength but also its international prestige. The presence of the J-20 has already caused neighboring countries and global powers to reconsider their defense planning, leading to new investments in stealth technology, missile defense, and counter-stealth capabilities. For aviation enthusiasts and defense analysts alike, the J-20 is more than just a fighter jet. It is a message. It says that China is ready to project air power far beyond its borders, to protect its interests, and to compete with the most advanced militaries on Earth. While debates continue over whether the J-20 truly matches the F-22 or F-35 in every category, there is no doubt that it has changed the strategic landscape. No serious conversation about global air power can take place today without including the Mighty Dragon. In conclusion, the Chengdu J-20 is not just another addition to the People's Liberation Army Air Force. It is a symbol of ambition, technological growth, and national power. With each year, more J-20s are joining China's squadrons, and their presence in the skies is reshaping the balance of power in Asia and the world. Whether admired as a marvel of engineering or viewed as a potential threat, the J-20 has already earned its place in history as one of the most influential fighter jets of our time.